or blizzard warnings in central and western Kansas, and even winter storm warnings in Texas. Winter storm warnings, winter weather advisories in the panhandle of Texas, winter blizzard warnings in northwestern Kansas, winter storm warnings in west central Kansas, and even winter storm warnings extending to about central Nebraska, with winter weather advisories extending into parts of Minnesota and a tiny part of South Dakota. But this is the biggest area that could see a lot of snow, potentially up to 3 feet, according to the NAM model, in terms of snowfall, which is kind of surprising. I mean, look at this. 3 feet of snow possible. Incredible. And the NAM shows just a big plume of heavy snow going all the way up. The RAP model, the rapid refresh model, has been a little bit more also crazy with the snow, but more concentrated since it only goes out 21 hours. But again, close to 3 feet. And even the GFS, which has been more conservative in the snowfall, has also gone bonkers, showing close to 2 feet for some places. 25.1 inches, 17, 720. So we could be talking about 2+ feet of snow possibly from the storm. Wow, this is just crazy. I mean, none of this, and even a little bit of convective action possible, so maybe even some thunder snow possible. So this is the conditions in Colby right now, 32 degrees and snow. Occasional snow for the next several hours. Heavy snow conditions possible, snow 8 to 12 inches. 8 to 12 inches of snow expected. Of all that crazy weather, there's surprisingly not a sliver of thunder snow anywhere in western Kansas. And even on the experimental, there's nothing showing up. There's a couple of lightning strikes near Lake City, Kansas, just north of the Ronald Hogeland Ranch, which is a private property location in Kansas, but beside that, there's been no lightning at all in Kansas. Most of the lightning has been concentrated in Arkansas, Louisiana, Missouri, Texas, where there's been some thunderstorms, and also some in Ohio. And New York City today's been 85 degrees. Yet areas just 1,800 miles to my west, and actually even a little bit to the south of west. So you have to go west, go due west, and you have to drop a little south. They're getting blizzard conditions there. Crazy. Just crazy. Oh, and if you think that's crazy, I mean, look at all that lightning. That's over 1,000 strikes a minute, just in the United States. And let's take off experimental and do regular lightning. Probably going to drop to about 500. Most of the lightning is being concentrated in Louisiana. Here's where most of the lightning is concentrated. It's literally a wall of lightning. Wow. People are probably very scared tonight, especially in this area. There's lightning everywhere. But beside the lightning, it's the snow. I mean, it's crazy. And even in New York, we actually might get some snow. There's a slight chance of snow Monday, as some of the models have been picking up, as the GFS has been hinting on some snow May 8th, early Monday morning. From a band of precipitation that's going to come in. Of course, this is probably not going to happen, but I would really like it to. You know, I haven't seen May snow since like 2002. I've seen a few. The last time I saw that was early May of 2002. We had some flurries that came through. It was only a month after April's snow event came through. 62 degrees early that day. It was kind of nice. See some snow in May of 2002. It's definitely nice to see some of that snow, but, that was over like 12 years ago. 15 years ago, so to see snow for the first time in 15 years, that's pretty awesome. Oh, look at that. Snow in New York City, May 12th. Look at that, the snow line. May 8th, 12Z. that happens, New York City will see some rain and snow, which could be awesome. But of course, it's unlikely, but there's a possibility of that, definitely. That'll be nice. Well, thank you for watching. Bye. So before I go, actually, one more thing to say, and this May could be very cold for the Northeast, and Kansas could get possibly up to 2 feet of snow tonight and from tonight through tomorrow night. Thank you for watching. Bye.